What is axiology? The term axiology comes from the two Greek words, namely, axios, which means worth or value, and logos, which means study. Etymologically speaking, therefore, axiology means the study of value, or study of worth. Traditionally, however, scholars formally define axiology as the philosophical study of values and how those values come about in society. In particular, axiology seeks to understand the meaning, nature, and origin of the notions of values and value judgment. This explains why axiology is closely related to two other branches of philosophy, namely, ethics and aesthetics. In fact, some scholars used the term either as a collective term for ethics and aesthetics, or as foundations for these two branches of philosophy. On the one hand, ethics is the branch of philosophy that studies the rightness or wrongness of human actions. More specifically, ethics is concerned with the meaning and nature of the concept of good and what it means to be good. On the other hand, aesthetics is the branch of philosophy that deals with the principles of beauty and art. In particular, aesthetics is concerned with beauty and harmony, and attempts to understand the nature of beauty in general. As we can see, axiology is a necessary component of both ethics and aesthetics in the sense that one needs to use the concept of worth, or value in defining and understanding the notions of good or goodness, and beauty. Through axiology, therefore, one can meaningfully determine what is valuable, and why something can be said to be valuable. For example, when a person asks questions like, why do I need to obey social norms, or from what is morality derived, and what is it for in the context of society, then that person is asking axiological questions. As we can see, that person wants to know what it is that motivates us to take action or refrain from doing such action. And if an authority explains fully to the person why he or she needs to obey social rules, then the person may fully understand why he or she has to obey the rules. So, in this example, the value is either authority or respect, but of course that depends on how the person takes it. Finally, in addition to the axiological questions just mentioned, the person may also ask the following: where did these values come from? Can either of these values be called good? And, is one better than the another, and why?